Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Playtech TV. My name is Kevin, and today we're going to be checking out the Ducky Mini. This is a 60% keyboard with some really awesome features. So let's get into the review. Most of you probably know Ducky for their full-size mechanical keyboards, and most of you probably know that they have really good build quality. And the Ducky Mini is no exception to this. It's really well built, really strong, but it's still fairly light. So it's aluminium with kind of plastic in the middle and then another sheet of aluminium on the base. And it feels really good. Now this one has Cherry MX red switches, but it is also available with Cherry MX blue switches, and it will be coming out later with Cherry MX brown switches and Cherry MX black switches. It also features an 8-key rollover, which means you're going to be able to roll your face over the keyboard and everything's still going to register just fine, and 1000 Hz response time. So obviously, this being a 60% keyboard, you can see we're missing some of the keys you would usually have on a full-size keyboard. But not to worry, you don't lose the function. If you hold down the FN key, you can see that on the side of the keycaps, these arrows are illuminated, so now if you use them, it wouldn't do K, it would be arrow left. And we have the volume control still there, and all the FN keys and escape and delete over this side. But you can change the function of the keys also, so it's fully programmable keyboard. So say we wanted this to just be escape all the time, so we didn't have to hold down the FN key to escape, then we can just change it out. Just change the program, so the function of this key, so that it is escape all the time, and then we just simply switch the keycap with the escape one, which is why they provide you with all these extra keycaps here so that you can change the function of the different keys. So let's go through some of the lighting effects, because this does have dual LEDs in the key switches, both red and blue. Now you're going to have to bear with me because it can be a little bit fiddly, but to change them you have FN and then the Alt key. Now how we have it right now, we can set up so and have it as blue all the time, nice and blue, and if we hold the FN, we see that the keys without a second function do dim right down. Now we can also make it red if we want to. So turn that off, yes, and then we hit Z, bring it up, there we go. Now we have the red, hold FN, now we'll dim again. Now we can make this pink if we would want to, there we go. Add some blue in there, we have a nice pink keyboard. And we can get purple. There we go. Now there's other lighting effects, so if we go up and hit G, then we can do, this is a reactive lighting one, so the key you hit will come up as, will illuminate. We also have this raindrop effect, which is all the different colors flashing around. I think that one looks the best personally. Now we also have this wave effect, which looks quite cool. A pulsing type effect, where it will pulse through the different colors. And just off. So this we can just control it again and set up. So you can see there's a whole range of different colors, whole range of different functions, and you can really customize this and set it up how you like. But I would really advise going through the user manual, because you're really going to need it, because it can be quite confusing getting used to going through the different lighting modes and setting up the different lighting effects without using the user manual. In conclusion, the Ducky Mini is a seriously impressive 60% mechanical keyboard. It comes with the same build quality that you would expect from Ducky, like in their full-size mechanical keyboards, but it also comes with the customizability of being able to set up the functions of the different keys so you can set up the keyboard just the way you want it. And also all the different lighting effects that you can achieve with this 60% keyboard. Now, as I said earlier, it's only available with the Cherry MX red switches and Cherry MX blue switches for right now, but the Cherry MX brown switches and Cherry MX black switches will be available later on. Now, I thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't already to Playtech TV, and I'll see you guys next time.